Sumfest. Listen. Soon and very soon you won't be working. Soon and very soon I'll set you free. Your son will relieve you of your burdens. You deserve a life of luxury and so much more. Ever since the day you brought me into this world, you've struggled, you've gone the extra mile to make sure I was always alright. I've never hungered, never thirsted, never wanted for a dime. See, I am the man I am today, 'cause of the sacrifices you made. Oh, mommy, all that I can say is that I'm grateful, that I love you more than words can convey. Sumfest is wild, go crazy, along wild. My baby seen it good, go so allow. Listen me now, man. She said lately all that she's been hearing, so I search up her music, playing everywhere she go. But since I came out, me alone she a play now. Come and give her something forever, where she can wind up her waist. Listen, baby, it's a pleasure to be your entertainer. So shake what your mama gave you. Like you now jump, jump. It's wild, go crazy, but no respect, girl, get wild, go crazy. I'm to let the music take you, I will get wild, go crazy, but no respect, girl, get go crazy. I'm to let the music lower to me. As a flanker, man, you know me a parade already, fully gallus. Watch her style, yeah. From the first day, and me buck her upstairs. And I said she love it and I like a cupcake. He said, don't leave, me I beg you just stay. Give me one more night with her till the sun rays again. Sorry baby, me know you're frustrated, but I girl a call me see you pin up here. Like the be my in a garage without the express until she explode like a volcano. And the coke, yeah, say one place but jump like a normal. Watch out, look. Shantae said she had a rough day. Call me feeling car down above fear. Deal with the buff rough like a man we broke grave. For discipline so she never complain. Melissa want me jump on and fly to Las Vegas, but she wants some boyfriend like him, she want upgrade. Been a while since she taxi off runway. They see you not when me a come back on the south side, cause she need more time with me. But she have to bear in what?
I'm continental.
And the God can stay one place for too long, like a normal. I can't understand why some man so full. Rush on, them boy you need gallus class. Actually never mind, let them slip and slide. Leave them girl and attend it so I can. My beer, go so. Now I can, bang, bang, bang. Lisa, Gina, Susan, for the life of me, I can't understand why some man so foolish. Rush on, them boy you need gallus class. Actually never mind, let them slip and slide. Leave them girl and attend it so I can't swap it. Like an eagle, watch your style, yeah. Lisa, Gina, Susan, Isha, Serena, 22 adults. Call me phone in at the 2 o'clock. Bells are beg to come up to my room for now. Which is 40 and a rooster chop. A yard make them moves a lot, so they believe me. We learn the rule and I'll be them. Bumps, my beer. And at a time we are go grab around one hour. Sing, blood, around on her. Pass, so, rock at the bar. So she like grand props, come here a far. Just to grab around one hour. Hold, Asian girls them kind of face. But the personalities like a pest. American girls can't fade me if me no careful. I'm get down, me like raving. But one girl can't contain me. When me in nine waiting on. Me nine of them very Sumfest. Think the park. I know girl if you want me. And you can
July 20th, 2024, the St. James Municipal Corporation recognizes Nigy Boy and present him with this 2024 Silver Montego Bay Sumfest City Award in recognition of his outstanding achievement in the field of entertainment. We now present to you Mr. Russell and the Mayor of Montego Bay. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are proud of your native and if you are from Montego Bay, give Nigy Boy a standing and a big round of applause for his achievement. Come on, Jamaica, stand. Not many people with this impaired vision can pull off this and make history out of his craft. We salute you, we congratulate you. Continue to do what you're doing, Nigy. And of course, what do you want to say to your fellow Montegonians?
Before I say any words, let me say something like this. Let me do it like this. Clear, I'm sure to you know. Moby go so father. That is it, man. I know it already. I just want to say it was a privilege being here, and I liked how everything came full circle. That my first ever performance was in the place I came from, Montego Bay. I appreciate all of you for coming out. Love is real. One heart. Love you always and forever. Thank you.